All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about hack on the init script. So again, this is just a summary of what this does. The init script is a bit of JavaScript or CoffeeScript run at startup. You can use it to quickly change the behavior of Atom. Okay, you can uncomment some of the examples or try out your own. You can open your init script from menu Atom using the Mac. Okay, I'll just open up the file and show you real quick. And that's how you can hack on the init script if you really want to add some customization to the file. And actually not to the file, but to Atom, okay? So Atom is very customizable and open source, so, and free too, which is great. So you can really do a lot with it once you know those skills, okay? So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.